Hi guys, let me show you how to drape rows on bra cup. Here is the doll face satin fabric I'm making use of, and I have a bra cup which I'm already tightening with dart and boning. I have a video on that, you can go check it up. So I'm going to fold my fabric diagonally for me to measure out the inches I'm needing for my rows out. So after folding from the tip here, I'm going to measure like 16 to 17 inches. Connect like so and cut it out. After cutting, this is what I have. So I'll go ahead to my machine and stitch from here to here with 1/2 inch. So I'll go ahead and cut lining for my bra cup as well by folding it into two like this. Fold the fabric into two as well, place it on it and cut it out. Make sure you add 1/2 inch all through it for seam allowance. Just watch what I'm doing. Add 1/2 inch all around it for seam allowance. After cutting, this is what I have. So I'm going to stitch here with 1/2 inch, from here to here with 1/2 inch. So I'm done stitching. As you can see, this is my lining for the bra cup. I'm going to notch this area to make it flat very well. So this one too, I've stitched it as you can see. So I'm going to trim the edge here and turn it inside out for me to form a rose on my bra cup. So I'm placing it on my bra cup just like this, and I'm going to use hand needle and thread to tack it to hold it down on the middle for it not to be shaking while setting my rows. Now I'm going to start setting my rows now. Just watch me as I'm doing it. So as I'm setting it, I'm using pin to hold it down to avoid it from shaking. It's a little bit tricky, but it's very simple if you follow the process. That is how I'm going to do till I reach the edge of my bra cup. After holding my rows down with office pin, I'm going to use hand needle and thread to secure it finally. Just watch me as I'm doing it. I secure the rows. Can you see the rows already? It's forming. Now I'm done securing my rows with hand needle and thread. So can you see that? So what I'm going to do now is to just trim the excess fabric. So I'm going to trim the excess fabric, but while doing yours, please be careful not to cut off the bra cup at the edge. So after trimming the excess, this is what I have. Look how beautiful and neat it is. So I'll go ahead now and fix my lining to it. Let the wrong side of the lining face the inner part of my bra cup. But to let it be like that, I'm going to let the right side of my lining face the right side of my rows, just like this, and make sure the seam allowance at the center align with each other. I'm going to stitch with 1/4 inch at the edge here. Now I'm done stitching, as you can see, so I'll go ahead and trim the excess here. So after trimming the excess, I'm going to flip it in like this and stitch the edge. I'm going to close it up like this. So I'm done closing it up at the edge here. I'm going to trim the excess. That is going to be the final process. And after trimming, this is what I have. Look how neat and beautiful it is. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video. Bye for now.